Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. My name's Fisher Freeman. I'm from Dobson, North Carolina, and this is a song that I wrote from a good old hunting buddy. It's called "Back Against a Tree." Bottomless shirt and a pair of jeans, sitting tight don't feel right for me. Go back for the call of my name when I'm at work and I come home late. I'm right where I wanna be, and these pines that raise me. Wish that I could have you back, I wouldn't trade it if they paid me. All those mornings waking up, feeling like hell on the way to church. All those nights they let us down, all the unsweet talk about gravel roads, the scunny hole, and wanting to be free. I'm right where you love to be, with my back against the tree. You love to hear that old Tom gobble in the morning light. The sun is coming up and the hardwoods come to life. I can't believe how fast good Lord called you home. Had a better plan for you, a better ridge to roam. All those mornings waking up, feeling like hell on the way to church. All those nights that let us down, all the unsweet talked about gravel roads, scunny hole, and wanting to be free. I'm not where you love to be, with my back against the tree. I'm right where you love to be, with my back against the tree. Back against the tree. Thank you.